Ezra's Reviews.
Yo, what is up guys, and welcome back to another video. So today guys, we have a review. So I will be reviewing the ZLRC-SG701S drone. So this is a drone in this little case here. So the brand is in Chinese, so I have no idea what the brand is, but I'll put a link in the description below from where I got this drone. So this is a budget camera drone. I got mine with 2 batteries for around $85. So not a bad deal for the drone that you get in here. So it will just come in this case, just like this. It'll have like a little plastic wrap around it, but it will come just like this if you order it from the website I did in the description below. So I'm going to just open this up here and we'll take a look with what is inside here. So the drone is foldable, kind of like a Mavic. So here it is, all folded up. So you get that in there, you get your transmitter, you get a bag of goodies, and the charger for the battery, and a whole bunch of instructions too, obviously. So, nothing much to see in here anymore. So, here's all the stuff. So let's start with looking at the quadcopter itself. So the arms fold out just like that, and they will snap into place just like this. Very light, and it's very durable. So this drone has 2 cameras. So it has your front camera, and then it has a bottom camera right there. Right there. That's a camera. So that's the drone. In here, you get 4 prop guards, propeller guards, and then you get some spare propellers as well. Not much to see in there. It also comes with a screwdriver. Your USB plug, standard. It will light up red when the battery is not fully charged. It will light up green when the battery is fully charged. So that's all to see there. So let's take a closer look at the drone here. So it looks very nice. Now the camera does move up and down. You have to do it manually. It is not automatic. It is not automatic. The propellers are geared. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, you can't. But they're in there. It flies very well, very smooth. I will put a video of me flying it, and very smooth. If you see any scratches and dents, it's because I've been flying around, testing it out, did some crashes with it. It's very durable. It can take a hit. So that's good. So, I mean, there's not much to the drone. These are lights on the front here. These are lights on the side there as well. These are antennas on the bottom here. On-off switch is right there. There is no micro USB port. The battery looks like this. So it comes out here. It says GPS on there. This quadcopter does have GPS, and it actually works. You have right here some stats about the battery. I think it is actually proprietary, so that's not the best. So this just fits in here. I ordered mine with 2 batteries. The other one is in my case. They're the same exact thing, so you guys don't really need to see both. So that's really it for the drone here. Putting that aside, let's take a look at the transmitter. This transmitter is really high quality, and I really like it. So these things fold out here for gripping, and it feels really good in the hand. These antennas are actually real, I think. They may be real, they may be fake. I don't know. I know on the Eachine E58 drone, which is famous for being a Mavic knockoff, that drone, these antennas are not real, so maybe it's not real on this transmitter too. I don't know. Now, opening this up, this is where you put your phone clip. So, this is a Wi-Fi FPV drone. So, you get the FPV with your phone, okay? So, you see what the drone sees through your phone. This is a very nice clip. You put your phone in there. So these are the controls. You got your GPS on and off toggle, your on and off for the controller, auto takeoff and auto landing, calibration and more calibration stuff. You have some little light indicators under there. I think this is the one key return. Don't take my word for it. Speed dial, headless mode, and this dial doesn't actually do anything. At least I don't think so. And then this one, I don't know by heart what it does. So yeah, that's it. That's it for the transmitter, really. And that's about it for the drone itself, honestly. So let's cut to me flying this thing. Okay, guys, so here we are out on the field. I'm just going to give you guys a little bit of a flight demo. So as this drone here is taking off, I just want to inform you guys that it was fairly windy on the day that we filmed this. So please keep that in mind when watching this footage. Now, as you can see, I just took off, and this drone is really, really stable in the air. It has great capability of staying in one spot. And I'm in speed 1 right now, as you can see. Just flying it around a little bit for you guys there. Now, speed 2 is a little bit faster, as you can see, gets a little bit whippier. And speed 2 is very similar to speed 3. You probably can't even tell when I switched. Now, this drone, as you can see, it's fast. It's very whippy. Here is some footage from the camera right here. This is from a different day. This is not from the same day. But it is pretty much same weather conditions, and it looks great. So the camera, it definitely isn't that, it's not that stable, as you can see. It shakes around a little bit, but this drone does not have a camera gimbal, so I would not expect the footage to be perfect. But if you're just out there trying to have a good time, this definitely works well. That's about it, really, in terms of how this drone flies. Now, if you want to get the landing pad that I was using in this video, I will put a link to the description below, for pretty much everything I used in this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I do hope you enjoyed. Just a quick reminder, I will be putting links to everything I used in this video in the description below. But anyways, guys, I do hope I see you all back in my next video. Bye for now.